Thanks for joining us. It's time to learn how MyMid can support your success. From your smart device, open a browser and search for midmish.edu. This brings you to MID's website. At the top, click on MyMid. From MyMid, you can navigate to frequently used resources and tools that you'll need throughout your time at MID. It's a good idea to bookmark or favorite this page on all your devices. MyMid contains lots of useful information. Starting at the top, click on More in this section. You can read about your rights as a student, learn how to set up your Laker login if you haven't already done so, and share a meaningful story about your time as a Laker. We share these stories on our website, social media, and in publications like brochures and the college's annual report. We love sharing the stories of our students. You are all so inspiring. Returning to MyMid, click on the blue rectangle labeled Visit Helpful Guides. In the future, you may wish to look up a guide for resetting your password, checking your grades, looking up course materials, or how to schedule an appointment with your mentor. Guides are also available in a list format under the More in this section link. Check back periodically as we are adding new guides to this space often. If you have a suggestion for a guide, let your mentor know. Back to MyMid. As you scroll down, you'll see the day's course cancellations. Check this before coming to campus in case a cancellation impacts your schedule. Occasionally, your instructors may let you know in advance or they may send an email. Instructors may also post an announcement in their Moodle shell. The next 4 rows of information in MyMid are the heart of this page. Each row has a drop-down menu. We will go through each of them in just a moment. Scrolling down, you'll notice more topics that may be of interest to you. Important announcements can be scrolled through, upcoming campus events are highlighted, and recent news from MID is featured. Review upcoming events often and get involved on campus with your fellow students. We're adding new events all the time. At the bottom of MyMid, there are some shortcuts to your most used web pages: bookstore, transcripts, MidMish email, Moodle, and self-service. These are also accessible above, which is where we are going next. Scroll up now and return to the 4 rows. I describe these as the heart of MyMid as they contain loads of extra information you'll use regularly or occasionally as needs arise. First, expand the menu for favorite links. The first 2 items will be used regularly, even daily, by most students. To protect your privacy and security, MID will contact you primarily at your MidMish email. When you are enrolled in courses during the semester, you should be checking your MidMish email daily. This is a Gmail account. If your personal email account is also a Gmail account, you will need to add your MidMish email to your personal account on your phone. We have a video for that too. Moodle is an acronym for Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. It is a learning management system, or LMS, similar to Blackboard, Canvas, and Skyward, which you may have used previously. There will be a Moodle shell for each of your courses, whether you take your courses online or on campus. Knowing how to navigate Moodle is very important and critical to your success at MID. Review our How to Navigate Moodle tutorial today. The remaining bullet points under Favorite Links are all about staying organized at MID. Google Drive and Calendar may be used for budgeting time to complete your coursework and adding your work schedule, family schedule, and practices, even when you need to sleep. Use the help desk to initiate a ticket for any technical issues you may have. LinkedIn Learning is part of the LinkedIn platform. There are hundreds of free videos and webinars about managing your time, becoming a confident public speaker, learning small business secrets, developing coding skills, AI, photography tips, using Canva or PowerPoint effectively, etc. LinkedIn Learning is a great resource in college and after. You can view brief course descriptions in MID's college catalog, but you can access more details by clicking on Simple Syllabus, an online tool featuring course-specific information. And finally, Zoom is the platform MID uses for virtual courses and appointments. The second row features self-service tools. When you meet with your mentor for the first time, you will spend a significant amount of time in self-service. This is where your degree, the courses necessary to complete that degree, and your timeline for each semester are listed. You will get to decide how many courses you'd like to take each semester and the modality for those courses. You may also register for your courses using self-service. You can personalize your degree plan to accommodate your lifestyle and availability. In self-service tools, you may view your financial aid package, your semester bill, and final grades from prior semesters. You may also send a transcript should you transfer to another institution in the future. Support for success is the third row we'll review. Most students will need support at some point during college. Sometimes this support is temporary. At other times, it may be a long-lasting need. MID strives to support student success and assist students with various needs, whatever they might be and whenever they may occur. Students may benefit from a tutor or career advice, or perhaps use accommodations that they used in high school through an IEP or 504 plan, and would like to use those same accommodations in college. At MID, we aren't just focused on your academic achievements. We see you for the complete individual that you are, with family, friends, challenges, and triumphs. We're here to support you, cheer you on, and connect you to resources that help you succeed. We encourage you to reach out if and when you need it and to recommend these resources to your fellow students who may be facing challenges of their own. The last row, More Resources, contains additional information students find useful. Maps and virtual tours can help you find your way on campus. Knowing your rights as a student, as well as knowing and understanding MID's policies, is also important. You can also explore job opportunities on campus and report concerns you may have during your time at MID. So that's MyMid, the place to access dozens of resources to help you navigate college, support your success, and achieve your goals throughout your journey at Mid-Michigan College.